Deepika Padukone is supposedly in touch with her legal team in New Delhi after her name surfaced in chats related to banned substances. The actor, who had travelled to Goa for a film shoot, may return to Mumbai soon. It has been a shocking couple of days in Bollywood after Deepika's name emerged in conversations from 2017, where she is allegedly asking her manager to procure banned substances for her. In a shocking new development, the spotlight seems to be on celebrities in Bollywood as the NCB deepens its investigation in the consumption of banned substances within Bollywood. Now, one of the biggest names involved in this investigation is Deepika Padukone, who is currently consulting with her team of lawyers in Delhi, and it's also alleged that Shraddha Kapoor and Sara Ali Khan will be called in for questioning by the NCB. Here's the update. Names of people who could arrange off the banned substances have also surfaced in chats between Deepika and her manager. And the NCB, which is investigating the links between suppliers and peddlers of banned substances and celebrity clients in Bollywood, will be thoroughly looking into the matter. According to news reports, Deepika's manager had asked for time till 25th September to appear before NCB, while there is no clarity on when Deepika may be summoned. There is also a report by Times Now which states that actor Shraddha Kapoor and Sara Ali Khan will also be summoned soon by the NCB. It's being said that Rhea Chakrabarti, who is in judicial custody after being arrested by the NCB, had named Sara and Rakulpreet Singh as consumers of banned substances, while Shraddha was allegedly named by Jaya Saha, a celebrity talent manager who has been questioned by the NCB for the past 2 days. Jaya has also allegedly named producer Madhu Mantena during her interrogation, and he too will be questioned in detail by the NCB. While many celebrities have remained silent on the allegations of banned substances use in Bollywood, certain actors like Mukesh Khanna, Sameer Soni and Raveena Tandon have spoken up and said that while not everyone is the same in the industry, anyone denying the use of banned substances in Bollywood is in denial of the reality. Mukesh Khanna, in an interview with Times Now, has challenged any actor or politician to declare without any doubt that banned substances are not used in Bollywood, adding that it is common knowledge that such substances are used by members of the fraternity. He has also questioned why only the names of female actors have been mentioned, raising the question of a possible bias in the investigation. In the same panel discussion, actor Sameer Soni has also said that while he does not believe that Bollywood is a gutter, as said by Kangana Ranaut, he will be lying if he says that banned substances are not used in the film industry. Raveena Tandon, who has been vocal in her criticism of Bollywood in the aftermath of Sushant's demise, has also spoken up on this brewing controversy and commented on a microblogging site, "'Twas high time for cleanup to happen. Very welcome. Will help our young future generations. Start from here, surely. Proceed to all sectors. Uprooted from its core. Punish the guilty, users, the dealers, suppliers, the profiting big guys on the take, who give it a blind eye and ruin people." Many interrogations and controversial revelations may be expected in the coming days as the NCB deepens its probe into the matter to explore the full extent of the banned substance racket.